Okay. Then you try to keep up. No shit.
You have my permission. Thank you.
I don't think we're going to be that fast. But
Sweep is on course.
pretty good too. You want the window up?
Yeah, I prefer it. That way if I do screw it up, your arm flat out.
Start confirmed, car 176 and car 84 is finishing. S98 green light on course.
This is pretty speedy too.
Copy, sweep 98, green light on course. 489 at finish. Start confirmed, 489 at finish. .192 at finish. Start confirms 192 at finish. Or 192 at finish.
Yeah,
Start
the other
confirms
gear,
192 at finish.
the car came through this right here, but he clipped that
Oh shit.
and
It's a
went into
roll.
that rock.
Oh man.
It was huge.
Start confirms 398 at finish.
This is fucking fun.
That's why this is like the best job to have.
Finish, this is start 000 on course.
Zebra.
000 on course. 457 at finish. Start confirms 457 at finish.
I tried to keep it under 50. Sweep at 1.5 mile. Making that call. Screwed up that whole turn.
What motor is this in about it?
V6. But I've got custom
Green
intake
light at 1.5.
to a Tundra
1 at finish.
throttle bar.
Confirmed.
5.7 liter V8 throttle bar.
Oh yeah.
Copy, safety delegate
Exhaust
report.
cam gears, so that's been retimed.
Huh.
Look at this, look at that.
It's bumped.
I love that. This suspension.
Yeah, it's smooth.
Didn't even notice that goddamn speed.
Nothing.
Looking at the rear view. Oh, see my truck. Somebody got a car.
Car 199 at finish. Start confirmed, car 199 at finish. 000 under control. 000 under control and that is stage 1 3. 000, net frequency. 000 is the two spots I would recommend checking your DQ travel, transiting from gravel to tarmac, and then at 3.3 miles, those are the two spots where it's being spin out.
Oh.
I haven't seen
Yep.
car.
Okay, say that again, please. You transit from gravel to tarmac in at 3.3 miles.
Go south. You see spin up. Coming across the culvert, it looks like people have disturbed the concrete blocks. But it's still in place. They almost climbed over the bank. In fact, there's a couple of them did. But it's okay.
Copy that.
Dash, this is Star 00 on course.
One thing I haven't done is cut my fenders to stuff 35s.
That's always the question, how big a tires can I get in this?
1.55, 000 just passed.
35s. I'm still stock gears. I was like, man, if I only had, you know, I think it was 456s. I don't know that I want 488s.
Yeah, I heard it rub a little bit there.
Air? Not that. That's what I wanted. That's what I forgot. Was that